Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast healthy. We'll explore simple ingredient swaps and cooking methods to transform this classic breakfast into a nutritious meal. By making smart choices, you can enjoy a delicious and satisfying dish that supports your well-being. We'll focus on whole grains, natural sweetness, and lean proteins to create a balanced and flavorful experience. First, let's talk about the foundation, your bread. Opt for whole wheat or sprouted grain bread, which offers more fiber and nutrients than white bread. For sweetness, ditch the sugary syrups. Instead, pile on fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. If you crave a touch of syrup, use just 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup for a hint of flavor. Next, let's lighten up the batter. Instead of all whole eggs, use mostly egg whites, perhaps 1 whole egg with 2 egg whites for less cholesterol and fat. Mix with unsweetened almond milk or skim milk. When cooking, use a non-stick pan with just a light spray of cooking oil. This helps achieve that golden brown crust without adding unnecessary fats from butter or excessive oil. Finally, elevate your healthy French toast with smart toppings. A dollop of plain Greek yogurt adds protein and probiotics. Sprinkle on some chopped nuts, like almonds or walnuts, for healthy fats and crunch. And of course, more fresh fruit for vitamins and natural sweetness. Pair your French toast with a side of lean protein, such as turkey bacon, for a truly balanced and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.